Next section, psychotherapies. The list contains some approaches that may not call themselves a psychotherapy but have a similar aim of improving mental health and well-being through talk and other means of communication. In the 20th century, a great number of psychotherapies were created. All of this faces continuous change in popularity and methods and effectiveness. Sometimes they are self-administered, either individually, in pairs, small groups, or large groups. However, a professional practitioner will usually use a combination of therapies and approaches, often in a treatment process that involves reading, talking, reporting to other professional practitioners. Innovative therapies may not yet have established these structures. The old established therapies usually have a code of ethics, professional associations, training programs, and so on. Psychotherapy is the general term for scientific based treatment of mental health issues based on modern medicine. It includes a number of schools such as Gestalt therapy, psychoanalysis, cognitive behavioral therapy, and dialectical behavioral therapy. Can you define psychotherapy? It is a process of treating psychological disorders and mental distress by the use of talking and psychological techniques. List of psychotherapies. One, abstraction therapy. 2, accelerated experimental dynamic psychotherapy, AEDP. 3, acceptance and commitment therapy, ACT. 4, Adlerian therapy. 5, adventure therapy. 6, analytical psychology. 7, art therapy. 8, attack therapy. 9, attachment based psychotherapy. 10, attachment based therapy for children. 11, attachment therapy. 12, autogenic training. 13, behavioral activation. 14, behavior modification. 15, behavior therapy. 16, biodynamic psychotherapy. 17, bioenergetic analysis. 18. Biofeedback. 19. Body psychotherapy. 20. Brief psychotherapy. 21. Classical Adlerian psychotherapy. 22. Chess therapy. 23. Child psychotherapy. 24. Client-centered psychotherapy. 25. Co-counseling. 26. Cognitive analytic therapy. 27. Cognitive therapy. 28. Cognitive behavior therapy CBT. 29. Coherence therapy. 30. Collaborative therapy. 31. Compassion focused therapy CFT. 32. Concentrative movement therapy. 33. Contemplative psychotherapy. 34. Contextual therapy. 35. Conversational model. 36. Conversion therapy. 31. Dance therapy, dance movement therapy DMT. 32. Depth therapy or psychology. 33. Dawson's analysis. 34. Developmental needs meeting strategy DNMS. 35. Dialectal behavior therapy DBT. 36. Drama therapy. 37. Dream work. 38. Dyadic developmental psychotherapy DDP. 39. Electric psychotherapy. 40. Ecological counseling. 41. Emotionally focused therapy EFT. 42. Emotional freedom technique EFT. 43. Encounter groups. 44. Eye movement desensitization and repressing EMDR. 45. Extensional therapy. 46. Exposure and response prevention. 47. Expressive therapy. 48. Family consultations. 49. Family therapy. 50. Feminist therapy. 51. Focusing. 52. Freudian psychotherapy. 53. Functional analytic psychotherapy FAP. 54. Future oriented therapy. 55. Gestalt therapy. 56. Gestalt theoretical psychotherapy. 57. Group analysis. 58. Group therapy. 59. Guided affective imagery. 60. Hakomi. 61. Holotropic breath work. 62 holding therapy. 63 humanistic psychology. 64 human events. 65 hypnotherapy. '66 inner relationship focusing. 67 integrative body psychotherapy. 68 integral psychotherapy. 69 integrative psychotherapy. 70 intensive short term dynamic psychotherapy. 71 internal family systems model. 72 interpersonal psychoanalysis. 73 interpersonal psychotherapy. '74 Duncan psychotherapy. 75 logotherapy. 76 marriage counseling. 77 Millu therapy. 78 mindfulness based cognitive therapy. 79 mindfulness based stress reduction. 80 mentalization based treatment. 81 method of level MOL. 82 mode deactivation therapy MDT. 83 Morita therapy. 84 motivational interweaving. 85 multimodal therapy. 86 multi theoretical psychotherapy. 87 music therapy. 88 narrative therapy. 89 non-violent communication. 90 node psychotherapy. 91 object relations psychotherapy. 92 ontological hermeneutics. 93 orthodox psychotherapy. 94 parent child interaction therapy. 95 parent management training. 96 pastoral counseling. 97 person centered therapy. 98 play therapy. 99 positive psychology. 100 positive psychotherapy. 101 postural integration. 102 primal therapy. 103 primal integration. 104 process oriented psychology. 105 process psychology. 106 progressive counting PC. 107 prolonged exposure therapy. 108 provocative therapy. 109 psychedelic therapy. 110 psychoanalysis. 111 psychotrauma. 112 psychodynamic psychotherapy. 113 psychosynthesis. 114 pulsing. 115 rational emotive behavioral therapy REBT. 116 rational living therapy RLT. 117 reality therapy. 118 rebirthing breathwork. 119 recovered memory therapy, 120 re-evaluation counseling, 121 ritual psychotherapy, 122 relational and compassionate psychotherapy, 123 relationship counseling, 124 relational cultural therapy, 125 remote therapy, 126 Rogerian psychotherapy. Hundred and 27 sand play therapy, 128 schema therapy, 129 self-relation psychotherapy, 130 sensoromotor psychotherapy, 131 sexual identity therapy, 132 sex therapy, 133 social therapy, 134 solution focused brief therapy, 135 somatic experiencing, 136 somatic psychology, 137 status dynamic psychotherapy, 138 supportive psychotherapy, 139 systematic desensitization, 140 systematic therapy. 141 T groups, 142 therapeutic community, 143 thought field therapy, 144 translational analysis, 145 transference focused psychotherapy, 146 transpersonal psychotherapy, 147 trans theoretical model TTM stages of changes, 148 12 step programs, 149 Vagito therapy, 115 wilderness therapy. We are going to detail about some important psychotherapies. One, activity therapies, 2, expressive therapies, 3, alternative therapies, 4, meditation, 5, biofeedback, 6, group therapy, 7, pastoral counseling. Detail going on. Detail going on. First, activity therapies. It is a therapies also called recreation therapy and occupational therapy. Promote healing through active engagement. Making crafts can be a part of occupational therapy. Walks can be part of recreation therapy. 2, expressive therapies. Expressive therapies are a form of psychotherapy that involves the arts or art making. These therapies include music therapy, art therapy, dance therapy, drama therapy, and poetry therapy. 3, alternative therapies. Alternative therapy is a branch of alternative medicine which includes a large number of therapies imported from other cultures. Alternative therapies include traditional medicine, prayer, yoga, traditional Chinese medicine, Ayurvedic medicine, homeopathy, and hypnotherapy, and more. 4. Meditation. Increased awareness of mental process can influence emotional behavior and mental health. Meditation provides an enhanced ability to recognize emotions in others and their own emotional patterns. 5. Biofeedback. Breathing, heartbeat. Biofeedback is a process gaining control of physical process and brain waves. It can be used to decrease anxiety, increase well-being, increase relaxation, and other methods of mind over body control. 6. Group therapy. Group therapy involves any type of therapy that takes place in a setting involving multiple people. 7. Pastoral counseling. Pastoral counseling is the merging of psychological and religious therapies and carried out by religious leaders or others trained in linking the two. Psychological treatment. Different psychotherapies and treatment models proponent by different scholars. Detail going on. First, psychoanalysis by Sigmund Freud. Second, analytical psychology by Carl Gustav Jung. 3. Transitional analysis by Eric Berne. 4. Client-centered psychotherapy by Carl R. Rogers. 5. Hypnosis by James Braid. 6. Group therapy by Joseph Pratt. 7. Cognitive therapy proponent by Aaron T. Beck. 8. Cognitive behavioral therapy by Donald Young. 9. Behaviorism, John B. Watson. 10. Classical conditioning by Ivan P. Pavlov. 11. Operant conditioning, Boris Frederick Skinner, P.F. Skinner. 12. Dual sex therapy by William H. Masters and Virginia E. Johnson. 13. Therapeutic community by Maxwell Jones. Psychotrauma by Jacob L. Marino. 15. Rational emotional therapy by Albert Ellis. 16. Primal therapy by Arthur Janov. 17. Will therapy by Otto Rank. 18. Gestalt therapy by Friedrich Perl. 19. Extinctional logotherapy, Victor E. Frank. 20. Reciprocal inhabitation by Joseph Wolf. 21. Progressive muscular relaxation, E. Jacobson. 22. Character analysis by Ilham H. 23. Token economy by Aylon and Azirin. Thank you. Have a nice day.